Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going for just a little ride with Ben because the weather's good, so we make the most of it. And yeah, we're just going to go for a little ride and hope you guys enjoy. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Yeah, Ben's like, in this country we drive on the right side. Where are you taking us, Ben? Taking us into the centre of Peterborough. Yeah, sure, go with that. Well, looks like we're in Peterborough, guys. This is the start of Peterborough. Roundabouts, roundabouts, and more roundabouts. Oh, nice. Told you, Siri just wants a good conversation. That's nice. That's hard. I bet it's hard to clean, that matte green. Oh wow. Challenge accepted. What was that, bitch? Fucking move. Jesus. We ain't got all day. We're losing daylight. Well, we are going to have a little ride through Peterborough City. Woohoo! Let's go, people. Here's Ben. Give us a wave, Ben. Oh, well, I'm glad you finally bought a tinted visor. As you can tell, we're not on. Tinted visor. Where you got? Good indication, mate. Nice. Where you get your license from, mate? Fucking Legoland. Oh my god! Get low, get low. Oh my god, it's going for the overtake. Ah!
Where's the average speed camera championship?
Oh, that's funny. What do you reckon, left here? Fuck it, fuck the police, watch it. Car driving, don't really know what you're doing, you're there, you're not even seeing me. I'm gonna die. And now I can smell weeds. Great, I'm high. Yeah, we go left here and then it brings us near Five Guys. But we can drive through the centre. Yeah, I've been to Five Guys way too many times. But
what the fuck is the correct?
Apparently it's a drop-off zone now. Nice. And then we're going to go right up here, Ben. Oh, this all sounds pretty cool down there. Bit of Turtle Bay for a cheeky bit of food.
I'll pay for a cheeky bit of food, eh?
And then we'll just maybe ride through here, Ben.
You are?
They're just going to ride through here.
If we're actually allowed.
I mean, I'm not too sure if we are, to be fair.
It does seem pretty busy for us, to be honest.
It does or it doesn't.
It does.
Yeah, as you can tell, probably not allowed.
I think we're very illegal right now.
Illegals, we're illegals.
Honestly, like on weekends, that's the one.
Thing is, I like tinted visors, so I feel like I can do this, but I'm not too sure about you, Ben.
Oh, dog fucking really happy then.
Peterborough, guys. Where now?
They got attacked by the blue dog.
Nice, nice. What do you reckon, left or right?
Wherever you like.
I reckon left because cars near there. Feels a bit more legal. Oh god.
Oh, what the hell? What the hell?
Ben with split. We definitely shouldn't be doing this. What we done here and it's fun. No, it's parking for us. That's we're supposed to be here. Let's pretend like we're supposed to be here, guys. Well, that's the centre of Peterborough, guys. Normally accessed by foot.
It does say no entrance.
I know, we're going to go here and chuck it left.
We are totally illegal right now.
We are illegals. Do you enjoy that, Ben? I feel like you were sweating back there. Honestly, if you had a tinted visor, you would have felt fine. You felt like you can do it. Oh, that's funny. Apparently, I think there's a tunnel you can go through. Well, not supposed to go through, but you can go through in Peterborough. That's like a graffiti tunnel. Yeah, which is pretty cool. And that's at Peterborough. I don't know whereabouts. Ben, you should know. You are my tour guide. We've literally just done a loop.
And then just to the right there is a train station.
Peterborough train station, nice. Oh, sorry. I should have pulled out quicker for you, shouldn't I? I think there's a fuel station this way. I won't be doing shit, mate. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. your comms, Ben. Oh my god, what the fuck, man? That was brilliant. Don't crash, Ben. Don't crash. Well, this is how you fill up a motorbike. Go on, Ben. Give us a tutorial. So you put it in the hole, and as soon as it's in the hole, all comes out. I remember my first time too. That's like a big swimming place over there, I think, ain't it? That Lilo. The place to the left that we just went by, the big green place. Yeah, I think it's like a big outdoor swimming centre. No, not that. It was something a bit further back. The Hilton Garden Inn. Sounds nice. Don't know whether it is, but sounds it. Oh, I'm with you again. Oh, hey. No, where? Alright, where are we going? Left here? Yep. Yeah, all good, all good. Do a U-turn. Or attempt, anyway. Yep, I hit it. Can't really. Well, I'll get out of there. That fucking van's proper blocking.
Right, when you come here, go left.
Yeah, I'm coming. Lights are red, by the way. I just see you going. Where's this car meet? Are we crashing a car meet, Ben? Why do I feel like there's just cars parked? Oh, really?
Yeah, great,
well, this is...
You dick.
He asked me to. I couldn't help myself. This is the smallest car meet ever.
Fucking car park is nuts.
Well, here's the bikes. Oh, I think this is like the tunnel. I think. Go through the tunnel.
Yeah?
Yeah. Can we go through there?
Fuck, again on the glass. Oh, this is lucky, isn't it?
This is it.
Go on.
Can we get out of here? I don't know. That was the smallest car meet ever.
We'll do it again?
What? I'm back! Oh shit, he's in a wheelie, that was cool.
Was that a fucking moped?
I don't know, it was fucking impressive.
You think that was it though?
What? Yeah, that was it. That was literally, yeah, I'm certain that is it. As if we found it. We found... Well, that's embarrassing. Yeah, at least you're not out here just with me, Ben. It's all okay. Oh, that was the... Oh shit, this is it again. Are we actually going in? Where are we just going to park up?
Where?
Anywhere, just park. What the fuck? Park up here on the left.
On the left,
Yeah, just park here. That was funny. That sounds smart, I like that. How cool was that?
Yeah.
That was sick.
Oh, we need to get a new exhaust.
I'd been looking at them for ages. They're just so much money, like 1100 quid. Yeah, they're smart, they're real smart. And Ben, they sound even better on ours because his is restricted. So it's even, he said it's an even deeper tone on ours. Yeah, I know, they're really smart. Alright, let's roll. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear me.
Yeah, I just need to change the volume. You're like deafening, Ben. You know me, mate. Nothing but charming. Do you want to? we can go that way if you want. Do go whatever way you want. Ben, talk. Yeah, that was good. Bloody hell, people got the kids here and everything. Yeah, he subbed. How cool was that? Thanks, Ben. Thanks. This is a contribution to Ben. Good old boy. Yeah, I'm now. That was cool. Alright, I'll follow you, Ben. I'm ready. Yeah. I just scared that little dog. Well, that was a cool little interaction with everyone. That was sick, that was. As if we just found that. Well done, Ben. That was funny. Well, technical advisor guys, it looks cool, but I'm legally blind. Well, I think I'm going to end it here, guys. It's been a good little evening out at Peterborough. Had a little car meet, bike meet that we ended up going to. And yeah, I'll see you next time.